We'll guide you through how to install and delete apps on a Hisense VIDAA smart TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps there's an app you want to go and get, perhaps there's a specific one you want for streaming something or something else, or maybe you just want to go and browse some different apps you can get on your TV, or alternatively you want to go and delete and remove apps. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through both. Make sure it's this full guide as we're going to guide you through what you need to do. Without any further ado, let's get started. So you can come onto remote and you want to go and find the home button and you can then go and tap on it like so. Now you want to go and tap down. Now to get started, we're going to go and install apps. So what you can do is you need to go and start tapping along like so. Now keep on tapping along with the right arrow. And what we need to do is go and locate the App Store. As you can see, there it is. With it selected, press OK, and it's now going to go and open up. Go and wait, as you can see, VIDAA, and shortly it's going to go and show you some different apps. Now, if there's a specific one you want, you can go and press the up arrow, and you can go and press OK on search, and the keyboard will open. You can type in an app you want. Otherwise, you can scroll down for these different categories and you can go and find one. So we're just in featured apps right now, and you can scroll across and go and see these different apps here. And you can also go and scroll down. You can see games, kids, and latest apps as well. So hopefully you're going to be able to go and find what you're looking for. This is the app I want. So then what you can do is go and press OK on it, and it will go and take you to the page. You can read a bit more about what it is. And then what you can do if you want it is you can go and press install. So you can just go and press OK, and now it's going to start installing. Now you can go and choose where it's going to go and be. So you can go and make it further to the left, just so you have to scroll less. So I can go and tap and hold the left arrow if I want it right at the start, which I'm going to do. So I'm going to go and just keep that held down pretty much, or keep pressing it. And now it's going to be one of the first apps, and we can go and press OK. And as you can see, there it is. And so to go open it, you can press OK with it selected, and it will then go and open up. Now, if you want to go and remove and delete it from the Hisense VIDAA TV, we can now go and show you that. So, of course, you can always go and get it again in the future. It isn't a permanent thing. I'm just doing this app here, but you could find another to do it with. So what you need to do is go and have it selected first of all. So come to this page you aren't already, press home again, tap down and find the app and have it selected. And then what you can do is go and tap and hold OK on the remote. It will then go and open the arrows, and you can press left and right to change the position of it. But to go remove and delete it, press down arrow, and you can then press OK, and we can now go and have it removed.